What's up, Wanderers? We're back again, and on today's episode we have a sweet new package from Taco Clout. These are their side mirror, rear view mirrors. These guys are going to be blue, sequential, and have a little bit wider of a range. So let's jump right on into it. Alright, right out of the box, you can see that we have the mirrors right here. There's going to be two wires that you guys will have to splice that we'll get into, and then this is where the defroster connects into the original spot. Grab this guy out. Perfect. Let's go get them installed. Just wanted to show you guys a quick little video of the range on the stock mirrors here. As you can see, we can see right down the side of the truck. We'll see what the new wide angle mirrors have in store. All right, to take these guys off, you're gonna take the mirror caps off of your truck. So these guys are kind of a little bit of a pain to get off, but just kind of work your way up around. And that'll come right off, just like that. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pop out, there's 4 clips that hold this mirror in. We're just gonna pop those guys straight on out. We got 2 out there. And there we go. We got those 4 clips popped out. We're gonna swing around to the other side here and show you the next step. All right, now we're gonna swing around to the back. We're going to unclip ourselves here. There's 3 clips back here. There's those 2. And then I'm gonna disconnect this last clip. And you got the old mirror off. Now we're ready to hop on over and put the new mirror in. All right, next up we're gonna install our new side mirrors here. So we're just gonna run the 2 power and ground wires through here. I'll explain here in a second what we're gonna do with those. And then the original prongs for your defrosters, we're just gonna plug those guys right back in. There we go. And then just like you guys pulled that guy out, we're gonna line it up with those clips. Just pop it back in there. All right, next up, once you guys get that mirror back clipped in, we're going to splice these wires into this pink wire, or this pink wire and this white wire here. So your red one's gonna go to the pink wire, the black one's gonna go to the white wire. So we'll get to that just like. And there you have it. We splice those guys back in. So we're gonna just put our mirror cap cover right back over this and show you guys the finished product. All right, this is my favorite part of every new product. Taking that off. What do you guys think? Got the sequential turn signals there. Wide angle, we'll show you from an inside perspective on this wide angle. There you guys have it. Look at that wide angle approach there. You can see way more. Alex is even in frame. Just super great. And let's see if we can get the turn signals to work there. Look at that. Great product from Taco Clout. All right, guys, there you guys have it on the new mirrors from Taco Clout that are wide angle, sequential, and anti-glare. Hopefully you guys liked it. I don't even know if you guys know, but we're filming through the mirror right now. Hopefully you guys liked that video, and until next time, we'll be wandering.